Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use Notion on your phone. First, ensure you have the Notion application downloaded from your device's App Store, whether it's an Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, simply log in using your existing Notion credentials or easily create a brand new account if you are just starting out. Take a moment to explore the mobile-optimized interface, which is designed for easy navigation on smaller screens. This initial setup takes less than 1 minute. Navigating your Notion workspace on a phone is straightforward. Tap the 3-line menu icon, usually found in the top left corner, to open your sidebar. Here, you will find all your pages, databases, and shared content. Use the magnifying glass icon at the top to quickly search across your entire workspace for any specific page or block. Additionally, your most recently viewed pages and favorited items are easily accessible, saving you valuable time. This makes finding information incredibly efficient. Creating and editing content on your phone is surprisingly robust. To add new content, simply tap the plus icon, typically located at the bottom of your screen, to create a new page or insert a new block. The mobile toolbar appears automatically, offering options for text formatting, adding images, or embedding files. You can also easily rearrange blocks by long pressing on them and then dragging them to your desired position. This flexibility allows for seamless content management on the go. To enhance your mobile Notion experience, consider using some advanced features. Add Notion widgets directly to your phone's home screen for one-tap access to specific pages or databases. This can save you several seconds each time you need to access important information. Leverage the quick capture feature to jot down notes or ideas instantly, ensuring no thought is lost. Furthermore, enable offline mode in settings to access and edit your content even without an internet connection, providing maximum flexibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.